backpack. I put my books in my backpack. Calculator. I need a calculator for math class. Chalk. She used chalk to write on the board. Compass. I used a compass to draw a circle. Eraser. I erased the mistake with my eraser. Globe. The teacher showed Africa on the globe. Hole punch. Use the hole punch for your paper. Marker. She drew with a red marker. Pencil. I wrote with a pencil. Pencil box. My pencils are in the pencil box. Ruler. I measured the line with a ruler. Pencil sharpener. I sharpened my pencil with a pencil sharpener. Blackboard. The teacher drew a diagram on the blackboard. Ballpoint pen. He used a ballpoint pen to take notes. Colored pencils. She drew a flower with colored pencils. Highlighter. I marked the important part with a highlighter. Notebook. My notes are in this notebook. Chart. The chart shows our class schedule. Crayons. The children are coloring with crayons. Binder. I keep my papers in a binder. Projector. The projector showed the presentation. Glue stick. I used a glue stick to paste the paper. Map. There is a world map on the wall. Microscope. We looked at cells with a microscope. Paperclip. Hold the papers with a paperclip. Book. She is reading a science book. Set square. He used a set square to draw straight lines. Protractor. We used a protractor to measure the angle. Stapler. She used a stapler to attach the pages together. Desk. She put her notebook on the desk. Dustbin. Throw the paper in the dustbin. Chair. I sat on a plastic chair. Scissors. He used scissors to cut the paper. Whiteboard. The teacher wrote today's lesson on the whiteboard. Exam paper. He submitted his exam paper. Clipboard. The teacher wrote notes on the clipboard. Tape. She used tape to fix the torn page. Mechanical pencil. He wrote his homework with a mechanical pencil. Bulletin board. The notices are on the bulletin board. Flashcards. We studied with flashcards.